Alright, what's up guys, we're back in the Maverick. So today we got the new Lasfit brake light LEDs. We're going to install these. We tinted the taillights with the spray. So I'll show you what they look like now. It might be hard to see because it's so sunny, but you can see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, since we tinted them, they're a little dark, but these sure look like we're about to be doing something. So we already showed you how to remove the taillights, but in case you missed that vid, you get yourself an 8mm socket, undo these two bolts, then you can just pop this right off. Then there's a plug down here. Boom, taillight. You can tell I've taken these off a time or two. So I'm gonna just go do the other one real quick and I'll be back. Alright, so we got the taillights out. So the brake lights are the top one. How do I remove this? Yeah, just as I suspected. They're turned. They don't give me much slack on these wires. Alright. So this top one was a little tight, so I took this, it's like just some teeth. You can just slide it off. Now it should be able to turn. There we go. So here's our old bulb. Yank them.
Set up here.
Yeah. So here's the comparison. We got the old and we got the new. You tell me which one you think is gonna be brighter. Look how many LEDs are on this compared to this. I should have left one on so you can see the difference. I'll put the old one back on. I'll do you right. Taking these off is like second nature these days. Pop. Shove him in. Twist till they don't twist no more. Stick the little teeth back on. This one should be easier. Bang. 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 Alright, so now we have our two new brake lights in. I'm gonna install this one and the old one so you can see the difference. We'll see what they look like in the daylight. I mean, So we got the new one. We got the new lights in this one, old lights in that one. The sun is kind of beaming directly on them right now, but we'll see if you can see a difference. You can?
Yeah, I can tell a difference.
Can the camera?
I think so.
Here, come step on it. I want to see. Oh yeah. It might not be showing up on camera as much. It is.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side now. You gotta keep these. You never know when these might come in handy. Can't let these go to waste. These are some good bulbs.
Right. I use them on my truck.
Alright, so I put the stock ones back in the right one so you can see it now that it's dark out. Here's the difference. You can tell. Let me press the brake.
And I don't know if they can tell. Yeah, they should be able to tell. Yeah.
So, I mean, more visibility at night is always a good thing, especially your brake lights. Make sure people see you at night. So, if you want them, I'll link the Lasfit lights below. Shout out to them for putting out all these good lights for the Maverick. And we got the reverse lights coming up sometime soon too. So, there's the difference. Looks pretty good. Yeah, these are a lot brighter.
Yeah.
So that's how you install the Lasfit LED brake lights. There's two per thing. But you only need to order one. They send you everything you need. And it's gonna be dark here in a little bit, so I'll come back out, show you what it looks like at night. I might swap one back to stock just so you get some clips. I might have already put them in the vid, so I'll put them again if you want to see them. But thanks for watching the vid. Link will be in the description for all the Lasfit stuff. Thanks for all the subscribers. And next video, we got a new exciting release coming soon, so stay tuned. I'll be dropping the day after tomorrow, so stay tuned.